Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, after the convention Bad Hersfeld. And this means that this model, moving in a circle with propellers, has some flaws. And I knew it did have some flaws, but during the convention things didn't go quite right multiple times. And I found kind of a solution to stop the shocking movement, the sudden movement during the back and forth going by propellers. And I have to find a solution, a definite solution. So first of all, these wires that are now still connected, and they still work nicely. With a little bit of help, but you see how the plate moves. And so while it still works, these wires need some firm connecting in these blocks, and there needs to be a connection right here. So that is what I'm going to do. First, stop this movement. And during the convention I found that this would be a rather simple solution, and it did work. But I don't like it. I like this much better. So in order to accomplish that, let me try something that I had in mind. Two of these elements, shift them in and see that I can put elements around it, but this is too close. So this is just improvising on the spot. Moving one here, and that is a little better. So if I take these blocks, would that make a difference? Because the width has to fit as well. Seems to be the case. And let me do another one. All right. Slightly faster. Faster still. Okay, I have slowed it down a little bit. Now it does have momentum. And indeed, it looks like this is the trick. It doesn't need to go around it, just like this. I do see some movement over here. And I feel it as well when I touch it. But massive shaking has gone. One thing solved, looks like it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Please consider support for my channel. You can support via Patreon, Ko-fi and by PayPal. And big thank you to my current supporters, which are mentioned on the special page of my website. And you can find my website in the description box under the video. This is going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, and bye.